Making money online might seem overwhelming, but what if I told you there's a beginner-friendly way to start earning commissions right now? Welcome to Warrior Plus, a platform where anyone can make money by promoting products you don't even own. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Warrior Plus works, how to get started, and the simple steps you need to follow to see results. Warrior Plus is an affiliate marketing platform. In simple terms, it connects product creators with affiliates like you. Your job is to promote these products using a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The best part, you don't need any technical skills, prior experience, or even your own product. Thousands of people are already earning money from Warrior Plus every single day, and the process is so straightforward you'll be amazed. Here's how it works in just 3 steps. 1. Sign up for free. Go to warriorplus.com and create a free account. 2. Find a product. Browse their marketplace, which has hundreds of products in various niches. You can filter by conversion rate, popularity, even commission. 3. Promote your link. After selecting a product, you'll get a unique affiliate link. Share this link on social media, YouTube, blogs, or with your email list. When someone clicks on it and buys, you get paid. It's that simple. Now, you might be wondering, why Warrior Plus? Here are 3 reasons. 1. High converting products. These products are designed to sell, so you don't have to worry about convincing people. 2. Flexible payouts. You can withdraw your earnings quickly and securely. 3. Beginner friendly. The platform is super easy to navigate, and there's no upfront investment needed. It's perfect if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing. To maximize your results, here are a few tips. 1. Choose the right products. Focus on products with high conversion rates and positive reviews. 2. Create content around your products. Make YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram posts that showcase the benefits of the product. 3. Build trust with your audience. People are more likely to buy through your link if they feel you're providing value. Share honest reviews. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you've chosen a course on social media marketing from the Warrior Plus marketplace. Step 1. Apply to promote the product. Most approvals are quick. Step 2. Get your affiliate link. Step 3. Create content about why social media marketing is important and how this course can help. Step 4. Add your affiliate link in the description or comments. Every time someone clicks your link and purchases the course, you earn a percentage, sometimes as high as 50% or more. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up for Warrior Plus and start earning today.